Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by again and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm giving you guys a power hour clean with me, and if you've never seen one before or know what that is, it's basically just setting a timer and trying to get as much as you can done in 1 hour because sometimes that's all we really have. So I'm just making a list, and I like to write down everything that I really want to tackle during that hour. And I'm just going to give you guys an overview of the mess that's happening right now. So I hope you guys enjoy and that this gives you some much needed inspiration and motivation to tackle something in your home in 1 hour. And if you enjoy, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And let's get started. I noticed I didn't get the footage of me making my bed for some reason. I don't know what happened exactly, but that was the first thing I did. I do normally make my bed early in the morning, but sometimes it doesn't happen because that's just real life. However, I still like to make it because I feel so much more accomplished during the day. Let me know if you guys do this also. So now I'm just cleaning and dusting the furniture with my Almond Method wood cleaner, which I absolutely love. It was starting to get a bit dusty over here, so I wanted to make sure they were all nice and polished. So this is my little desk area I like to use for all of my YouTube related stuff. I do film and edit on my phone right now, so I honestly haven't used this area much this past month, but I really want to start and make it a habit again because I feel I'm so much more inspired. I did make a video of all of the pieces I purchased in a previous video. If you'd like to see and are curious, I'll link it down below for you guys. Now I'm moving on to the master bathroom, and I have less than 45 minutes left. I am starting to potty train my boys right now. So I had their little potties out right here. They are almost 2.5 years old, so we are slowly progressing and taking it day by day. I really wanted to tackle the bathroom mostly because I hadn't cleaned the bathtub in quite some time. I'm so good with keeping up with the toilet and sink area, but the bathtub is so much more tedious for me for some reason. So that was definitely a priority for me today. If anyone was curious, I do wash my hands after cleaning the toilets since I don't always wear gloves, and as you saw, I didn't this time around. I don't like wearing gloves too often when I clean personally because I find them kind of annoying since I always have to tug them all of the time and feel like I'm not getting everything clean, if that makes any sense at all. Please let me know down below if you can relate, so I know I'm not the only one that feels this way. But I do make sure I wash my hands thoroughly afterwards, of course. I am finally cleaning my bathtub, you guys. I am showing you a close-up so you can see it was definitely time to get this tub all cleaned up. And I am using my vinegar and dish soap mix to get the tub and shower nice and sparkly.
Bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel, can I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
I am using the Swiffer mop to mop the floors today, and one thing I do like to do when I use this mop is to clean the baseboards as well, because it is the perfect size and does a pretty decent job at getting it all cleaned and dusted.
With you, yeah.
I was running low on time, and I did realize I was not going to have time to finish my list, so I wanted to make sure I swept and mopped the floors in my master bedroom as well. But before I did that, I used the 7th generation disinfectant spray to disinfect the doorknobs and light switches in my bathroom. I saw my girl Alyssa from the channel Alyssa Nicole do this in one of her cleaning videos. I thought that was such a great way to use this product. I was only using it to disinfect my boys' toys, so thank you so much, girl, and you guys should definitely go check out her channel if you haven't already. That was everything I was able to accomplish in 1 hour, you guys. My timer did go off while I was almost done mopping, but it does make me so happy and less stressed getting these things done and out of the way. I know it's not realistic for everyone to be cleaning all day, but if you can tackle an area in your home in 1 hour or even 10 to 30 minutes, you will be amazed at what you can accomplish. I hope this gave you inspiration to clean along with me, or maybe try a power hour yourselves. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what you are cleaning today or have already accomplished. I would love to know. Thank you all so much for watching and for coming back. I truly appreciate all of you, and I will see you in my next video.